Babe, I love you. Okay. Happy birthday! Wala akong ibang gift. Yun lang. Thank you so much. Ingat
Isa pa?
palagi, Amping.
Wala na, isa pa, Nina. Isa pa.
Ha? So pa? My God!
Pakiganda nga yung How Do I Live.
I know the feeling. Anuhin ko na lang para wala nang isa pa. My God. Anong isa pa?
How Do I Live nga daw.
How do I live?
Oo.
Ay,
Ayan guys, may pahula tayo dyan sa How Do I Live. Oh, Titi. Ganda po ni babe. Ang ganda daw ng babe mo. Sino ba yung babe niya? Nandito pa ako sa mga premiere sa...
sige, sige. Ito, last one. Last one. Ito ba? Is it? Okay, okay. Ay, my God. Imbis na wala akong mic, pinakanta pa ako. How do I get through a night without you? If I had to live without you, what kind of life would that be? Oh, I need you in my arms, need you to hold. You're my world, my heart, my soul. If you ever leave, baby, you would take away everything good in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know. How do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I live without you? My God, there's been no sun in my sky. There will be no love in my life. There'd be no world left for me. And baby, I don't know what I would do. I'd be lost if I lost you. If you ever leave, baby, you would take away everything real in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I live? Oh, Dana, thank you so much. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Okay na ako.
Happy birthday, my
Bye-bye.
love.
LF, happy birthday. Amping kanunay. Have a good health.